Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the user information that you see when you click on your user account after clicking on Start, like so. So for this computer we could see the Microsoft 365 details, Copilot Pro, we could see it's expired, it's unable to load the cloud storage from OneDrive, and then if you want to get to another user you have to click on the three dots here and then you can log in with that user. So I'm not sure why Microsoft decided to do this, but if you want to put it back to where you could just click on your user account and get right to your log off or other user information, we're going to do a little trick to get there. All right, so we're going to be using the ViVeTool. So if you never used that before, it's a tool that you could use to run commands to kind of enable and disable certain Windows features. So once you download the tool and extract it, you'll have these files here. So it's run by the command line. There is a GUI version. We did a video on that, so I'll put a link in the description. So if you're more comfortable with doing the GUI, you could do that. Otherwise, you'll have to do it via the command line. So I have the files located here on the E drive in a Vive folder. And I have some text here for how we're going to disable it and also enable it if you want to put it back. All right, so the first thing we need to do is open an administrative command prompt, so CMD, run as administrator. So now we're going to have to navigate to the location of the ViVeTool, which is on the E drive on this computer. So this step here will be different for you most likely. So cd vive, if we do a dir, we could see our ViVeTool executable there. All right, so we're going to run this command here, and I'll put these in the description so you could just copy and paste them. All right, so successfully set feature configuration. So we need to reboot next, so we're going to close out of here. So remember, this is what it looked like when we clicked on our user account. All right, so let's reboot and then we'll be right back. All right, so we're back in Windows. So we'll click on Start again and our user account. Now you can see it's back to the older version where it just shows your lock, sign out, and account settings options. And then you could also choose a different user to log in with if you have one. All right, so let's say you want to put it back. We need to open a command prompt again as administrator. Okay, go back to the ViVeTool. All right, let's open up our notes here. So this time we're going to use the enable command. All right, so let's reboot one more time here. So we'll be right back again. And by the way, restarting Windows Explorer doesn't do the job, so you need to reboot the computer. All right, so we're back in. So let's click on Start and the user account again. So now you can see we have the extra information back. All right, so as you can see, it's pretty easy to do. So I will put a link in the description where you could download the ViVeTool, and then also a link in the description where you could check out the video on how to use the ViVeTool GUI. And then I'll also put this information in the description, so you could just simply copy and paste it as needed. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.